Welcome back to Mirror and Thread. Y'all know my love for J.Crew factory runs so deep. I feel like the stuff there is just as good as what you can get at actual J.Crew, but the prices are absolutely insane. And especially right now, they're running some Black Friday deals that are so good. And this is my go-to place for holiday outfits. So I went and tried on all the good holiday things. They have really good family matching outfits. They've got casual, they've got dressy, everything you could ever want. So I will link in the shopping tags right below. You can click those as we go and we'll get started. Starting with my favorite dress from this haul, this one came home with me, and this also was the jumping off point for a big set of like family matching outfits that I ended up grabbing as well. But this is so comfortable and flattering. And I was talking to the girl that works there and I was like, I love that this is a long sleeve option because it is so hard to find like a party dress or an event dress for the holidays that's actually long sleeved. And a lot of times, I don't know about you, but in Oklahoma, it gets pretty cold in December. I don't always want to run around in like some strappy thing and then have to deal with a huge coat everywhere I go. So I love that this is a long sleeve option. Plus it's just so comfortable. This is like a cotton on top, so it's stretchy like a t-shirt material. And then the bottom is this kind of like silky, flowy, very easy to wear. And it's got a really pretty scoop neck in the back too. And I'm in the small. I did also snag this same Christmas print. This is like their traditional J.Crew holiday print that they have even in their regular J.Crew. They bring this back every single year. So if you purchase one of these things for yourself, you can always use these. I bought the shirt for Cody last year and he's gonna use it for our family matching stuff. And then this year, the only thing about getting the kids stuff is I always outgrow it by the next year, but I did get this little dress for London that is adorable with the bows. So cute with some tights and some like red Mary Janes. Oh my goodness, it's a precious. And then I also got the little boy's shirt for Owen. A couple more great holiday dress options. This one is a velvet material or kind of like a velour, and it is very, very soft and comfortable to wear as well. And I love something that you can feel dressed up in, but be so comfortable and functional in. This one comes with a little tie belt. You could always do your own like rhinestone belt or something if you want a little bit more sparkle, or a sparkly gold or silver would be fun too. It is removable, but this is so easy to wear. I'm in the small in this too. This one they did not have the small in store, so I'm trying on the medium here and it's just a touch big through here, but I did want to show it to you, so I went ahead and tried on the medium. I love the buttons on this. It's got the really pretty like rhinestone buttons. The top is smocked, so it's elastic, very easy to wear. Once again, it's got pockets, and I love this length. This is like a midi length, so it's great with flats. You can do it with a tall boot, a bootie. You can do it with a mule. You can do it with a heel, of course, for something more dressed up. And this is really pretty black plaid that they have multiple matching ones for boys, girls, and men's in this plaid as well. This button down was one of my absolute favorites of the day. I think this is so adorable and such a cute way to do a holiday outfit that's a little unexpected. It's not something that's like traditional Christmas plaid. It's not sparkly, but it's so cute with the little green Christmas trees. Just absolutely adorable. So these run on the tighter side, I would say. So if you want like that oversized shirt fit, you could size up one in this. I'm in the small here. This is how I would prefer it to fit for like a workwear shirt, which I do think this would be great for holiday workwear party, or just like if you want something festive for work. I think this is great for that. And then I also stuck this little red turtleneck underneath, and this thing is so soft and is another one that's great for layering, and it comes in tons of color options and is on great sale today. I also don't want to forget to mention their denim, because they have some of my favorite fits of jeans. I've got several pairs of their denim and they always hold up so well. And if you didn't know this, it took me years to realize this. Madewell and J.Crew are actually sister companies. So if you love Madewell jeans, these are gonna be very similar fit and quality, but the price point on these is way, way, way lower than what you can get at a Madewell or J.Crew regularly. These are the little patch pocket on the front and the back, and these are more of a wide leg, and I'm in my true size 27. If you're only gonna buy one thing from this video, but you need something fun, festive, holiday, please make it this skirt. This is the cutest skirt I think that I've seen, and I love that it works so well for holiday. There's a million things you can pair with this. I did it with a red, you could do something sparkly, you could do a fun blazer, so many ways to kind of make this more Christmas looking, but you can wear this after the holiday as well. I think this would be a cute date night look. You could go all black, you could do this with some pink for Valentine's Day. It is so cute on, and it's elastic waist, so again, it's very comfortable and easy to wear, and the price point is insane on this right now. This is the J.Crew City Coat, and if you have probably seen this, if you do online shopping at all in the past, I don't know how long, it's 5 years at least that these have been popular. This is like the best-selling coat at regular J.Crew and at J.Crew Factory, and they look pretty much indistinguishable to me. They are such good quality. It's a wool blend, and they are just so nice. It's a really chic looking coat, so it's great for workwear, it's great for events or for church or for travel if you want something that looks a little bit more pulled together and isn't just like your puffer winter coat. These are actually very warm and they just look beautiful, and they have them on great deal right now. I love this gray color. I think this is light heather gray. They have like a darker heather gray as well. They also have a camel brown, a tan, a cream, I think a black, basically any color that you could want, but they fit so beautifully, and I have the small in this. I'm gonna be honest here, and the fit of this skirt was not my favorite thing in the world, but I really like the colors and the print, and I wanted to include everything that I tried on for you, because sometimes just because it's not my taste doesn't mean it won't be yours, but something about where this was hitting on me, I just didn't find the most flattering. Now, probably on someone taller, I'm only 5'3", so if you're taller, maybe this will hit you a little bit shorter and be a little bit more flattering to the leg, but they do have this print and this color pattern in a couple of other items. And for me, I just was not in love with the fit of this. I did love the top though. So this is a similar to, it's the same fit as the Christmas tree button down, but this one is white with the little silver like rhinestone bows. Very cute. And this is a great one for New Year's as well. This whole outfit gets a major 10 out of 10 for me. The skirt, the t-shirt, the coat, all of it together, I think is just the perfect, most fun, festive outfit. So this is their mini skirt, but one thing I love about J.Crew and J.Crew Factory is that their minis are not short. We're not talking like when Abercrombie or American Eagle says mini, they mean mini. Like, I don't feel comfortable in their mini skirts. These are really not that short, especially if you're on the more petite side, height-wise like I am. I think these fit very appropriately for workwear, and I love, this is kind of like a wool blend as well, so it's a really nice quality material. Love the way that this fits, and I'm in this small. And this t-shirt is just so fun. I think it's so adorable. It's actually embroidered, so all the detail is really high quality. Everything is embroidered on. It's not like a stick on. Very cute on. And I had the small in this. It fits pretty naturally oversized. This shirt is a great option if you have something more casual. We tend to go, I don't know, kind of middle of the road with our family get-togethers. Like sometimes we dress up a little bit more. Sometimes we just do like jeans and t-shirt, but this is always a safe bet if you have a holiday party to go to, or you could dress it up for workwear or something too, but it's got the really cute plaid on the inside of the button down, and then the buttons themselves are the kind of embellished like rhinestone look, which is very pretty. And they have a matching little girl's one of this too. And then the pants are the like chino version of the denim that I was talking about earlier. So they're the kind of like boot cut or wider leg patch pocket. I love the green for holiday. They also have these in a velvet too, and they have a really pretty velvet red. If they would have had those in store, I would have purchased those so quick. I'm gonna go back and order them online because they're so cute, and I just love the fit of these. They've got a little bit of stretch to them, very comfortable to wear. As you can see, this top was one of my faves and definitely came home with me. This is one of those things that I grabbed. I had already grabbed that velvet skirt that I thought was really fun, and I needed something just to try on with the skirt. Was not intending on loving this so much, but when I put it on, I was like, this is gorgeous on. And again, this is one that you could wear other times of year. It's not a Christmassy plaid, it's not Christmassy colors, and it works for New Year's really well too. So you could do this with like a sparkly skirt or a pair of pants or something too for New Year, which I think would be fun. It's got the two little ties here, like a tie front, and then this really pretty ruffle, and then the sleeve is sheer. It also has a built-in layer underneath the top and the back, so it's basically like there's a cami sewn in, so you don't have to wear anything additional underneath. It's very comfortable, and I think it's just so pretty on. The skirt I really loved as well, and this is on a really great price too. Very comfortable. Like this almost felt like a pair of sweatpants or something. It's this kind of velvet velour material. It is elastic waist, and where the slit is hitting on this is so nice and flattering and easy to walk in. Also, if you're in the market for some Christmas pajamas, I think they have the cutest selection that I've seen, and these make really fun gift ideas as well. So if you have like a gift exchange with some friends, a fun pair of holiday pants, or they have slippers, the little matching t-shirts. But the nutcrackers, I was telling the girls in the store, I was like, I am a sucker for anything nutcracker this time of year. I just think it's so cute, especially with a little bit of like pink thrown in. Oh my goodness, that is just my vibe for the holidays. I think it's so fun. These fit so well. They're drawstring, they're super, super comfortable, and I get the smalls in these, and then they have tons of graphic tees. So they have long sleeve versions, short sleeve versions. These obviously with the little sparkles and stuff, this would be a really cute paired, kind of like I did with the embroidered tee with like a fun plaid skirt or something for a party. But they make really cute t-shirts just to wear with the pajamas too. And I also have some of my holiday like get-togethers with friends are pajama themed, so this is probably what I'll wear for that. I also just wanted to quickly make mention of a couple of other things I saw while I was in there shopping that I don't want you to miss. They have such good accessories, and sometimes if you don't want to pay up for like a shirt or a dress or something that's more holiday specific, a good workaround is just to get a little accessory. So you can get one of these hair bows, they have headbands, they have fun earrings, and then you can just wear a classic black or white sweater and jeans and throw that on, and you're fun and festive, and you only ended up spending whatever it is, $15 or $20 versus, you know, $60 or $70 for a full look. So I think they have a lot of really fun options for that. They've got cute belts. And then I also wanted to call out this men's pullover just because I think this would be such a good men's gift. And I've got gift guides in the works right now. I'm going to be putting together a huge gift guide for you guys. If you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you can see I've got a lot of ideas for men's gifts, but I wanted to call this out just since I saw it while shopping. This would be a really good if your man does anything outdoors. So this is great for golfing, for frisbee golf, for any like kind of sport that they want to play outside, maybe camping, hiking, anything like that. But this is nice enough that they could wear to church, they could wear it to work as well. So I think it's one of those really versatile pieces that's great quality. They also have the cutest little boys t-shirts. I know I always talk about them, but they're my favorites for Owen. They're just like so soft and comfortable, and he always gets compliments on them. And then also this gold skirt for London. Oh my gosh. It was taking everything in me not to purchase this, but I just bought her one on Amazon that was so similar. I was like, I have to step away, but this is so fun and fabulous, and she would love it for the holidays. That's a wrap on all the good holiday finds from J.Crew Factory. They are running such good deals right now, and the deals are not going to last very long. So if you see anything you love, click those shopping tags right below and it will take you directly there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.